phones. Oh, so now I'm singing it. Baby, baby. It's like T.
It is a really catchy song.
Yeah, I know. I've got the camera on. Oh, hi.
Hi.
Hey, here we are with Tippy and Solange. What am I even showing you now? Okay, this is a group called Bastarz. They're actually a subunit of Block B. So you remember Block B, and I'll have some more Block B to show you soon, but this is just 3 of the guys out of Block B. We've got PO, Yukon and B-Bomb.
B-Bomb?
But hang on, B-Bomb, Yukon and PO. Okay. And yeah, this is called Make It Rain. Let's go.
Oh my, it's all a bit post-apocalyptic.
Yeah, it's exactly what I was thinking.
Oh my.
It's a bit serious again this one.
So I'm getting the serious gangster vibe again.
Which I kind of can't take seriously.
I mean, I like that they've gone and put like it's the guns as well.
Yeah.
I find the gun a bit, it discombobulates me. Are those guys dead or are they just sick with a virus of some kind?
Yeah, interesting.
Oh, maybe they're all kidnapped.
Why have they been coughing up blood though?
I'm not sure, but they are playing a serious game of Mahjong. I wish I knew what it meant when he was laying the tiles down and I'm like, yeah, is that winning? I don't even know.
And they look more like vocal actually.
That's quite cool. Yeah, it's a bit dirty serious.
Yeah.
Oh my. That's a nail salon back there. I feel like I'm sort of invested with the guys in the car. That's who I want to see
figure out what's going to
succeed in
happen.
this. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I feel as though maybe they gambled too much and that's why they're in the situation that they're in.
Gambling is bad. That's the motto of this.
That's the vibe I'm getting. It's fun until somebody gets hurt. With coffins or cars, or whatever.
Coughing up blood.
I don't know how I feel about you bastards.
I know, and I've seen that a few times. I still have no idea what was going on.
Yeah. The bastards were a bit serious.
They were a bit serious.
Bastards.
Yeah.
Bastards. Bastards. Say goodbye.